Hey guys, welcome back to EasyEDA. So in today's video, we will go through how to edit footprint in our libraries. So when we found a footprint, but it cannot be specified for our design, you can edit to be your personal PCB footprint. So how to do that? Right here on left down bottom side, we have device and then footprint. We choose footprint, and then here we can choose here the system or personal or project. So under the project we have options to define and edit our footprint. So right here click on one of that. I think this is a capacitor resistor. So after you choose the right footprint, you have here edit options. So click on that. Okay, yes. And now we can edit our footprint with however we like. So as you can see here, we can now manipulate with data here on these paths, these outer lines. We can also change basically everything we can change. Also here the scribe we can rename, which can change footprint name. We also can change. So we can delete the whole thing and add new footprint if we want, and that's basically it. After that, we just save here. We just save our footprint and it will update here in our footprint library. So I hope this video helped you out how to change footprint in EasyEDA. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.